Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike from the Focus Garage here, and today we are going to be coming at you with some bicycle and mountain biking content. I just want to share with you my new favorite way that I've got here to carry bikes around. Now, if you've seen in the past, and actually I'm not sure if I've posted much about it before, but I used to use a tailgate pad style carrier for bicycles, and I did that with my Ford Maverick, and I even did that with this Ranger Raptor for a little while when I had first gotten it. But I never truly loved that because I didn't like the way that you'd have something contacting the paint. The bikes aren't really truly secured in there. They can kind of flop around and everything like that. So I started looking at what was out there on the market, and I came across this company called RIDE88. Now, what I found from them is ultimately what I think to be the be-all, end-all solution for carrying bikes in the bed of a truck. As you'll see later on in the video, these are insanely easy to get bikes in and out of them very, very quickly. Now, what I love about this too is just how secure the bicycles are when they are loaded into this rack system. A couple different things that I want to point out about this rack before kind of showing you the way they function and what makes them unique is the way that they attach to your bed. So in the case of the Ranger Raptor here, they've actually got this U-track system that bolts to the bulkhead here, and then you've got the receiver that the rack itself sits on. I've got it secured right now with a lock, so unless you have the key to that lock, there's no way for you to get this whole rack system off of this U-track. I like the U-track system here because it's flush all the way to the front of the bulkhead. The receiver for this piece with the bushings bolts onto this. This locks on here. Everything's really solid. And then what is also really, really neat about this whole setup is that if you pull this, you'll be able to lower this whole rack. So what's really, really cool about this now when it's in this lowered position and everything is that you can close the tonneau cover. With a lot of these tailgate pads, you can't close the tonneau cover with the tailgate pad installed because of this whole latch mechanism. A lot of times these are bulky, they'll sit out here. So you can't get everything down, get it flush, get it watertight. Whereas with this Ride 88 system, you lower, obviously this one's up right now, but you lower both of them and the tonneau closes no problem. Another thing that I'll be showcasing here in a couple of minutes is just how easy it is once the lock is removed with this quick release system to pull these pins out, and then you just slide the whole rack out. You can leave everything else that's out of the way, but now you don't have this taking up bed space should that be something that you need. So we were talking about this quick release system, and I've got the lock removed. I want to show you kind of how cool this lock piece is. So with this here, you've got this really, really heavy duty metal cage. You drop the pin through here, which goes through the rack. And then once you've got this lock inserted to it, it's basically impossible to remove this from the truck without the key, which I think is a really, really neat move. So once you've got basically the lock removed, you've got these pins, right? So you just lift up on these pins, and there's one on each side. And once you've got the pins opened up, all you do is you just unscrew the piece on the bottom here. You can see we've just got this little piece. Pull the whole pin up. We'll do that for each side real quick here. All right, so like I was saying, you've got this quick release here. You've just got the piece that screws on the bottom, and then this clamps over the top. So you open that up. You've got one on each side, and then once you've got that, you literally just reach in here, and you pull this off, and now the entire rack is removed from the truck. So you can take that, do whatever you need with it. It's essentially out of the truck, and you no longer have to worry about it. So the cool part is, this is all that's left on the bulkhead of the truck. This is what I wanted to show you earlier in the video too, the way this bolts to this U-track. You've got the two bolts here, but there's no way to remove those bolts with the rack in place, so you don't have to worry about anyone stealing anything or anything like that. So you remove the rack, and this is what you're left with. Very, very non-intrusive piece on the truck. You can leave this here, and you're good to go. I mean, obviously, you can also pull these bushings off, and it's totally gone and out of the way. But again, these pins are so easy to just kind of clamp on and remove and take off that once you get them out of the way, you can pull the whole rack off and leave it at home or something like that if you don't need it or want it in the truck. Something else I also wanted to point out that is if you have a simple cable lock solution, you're able to secure that to the bike itself, to this rack and everything like that, to where you never have to worry about theft really being an issue. Or anything. You'll essentially have the bicycle in here, which will be clamped down to that over-center locking system. You're going to have your cable lock, locking the bike to the rack, and then the rack is obviously locked to the U-track here. So everything is very secure, very in place, and it's not going to be going anywhere. And again, you can lower the rack that easily, and then it also goes up that easily as well. So pop the pin into place, and that's it. That's the rack in its up position now. So everything's locked in there. You lower it down. It's good to clamp back on the wheel.
It's insanely easy to maneuver and configure this how you need it set up to carry the bikes. And then on the bottom, you've got this pin here that, depending on the wheel size of the bike that you're carrying, you can adjust to bring this kind of lower wheel chalk up and down. So you pull that pin out, move it where it needs to be. And then you've got this toggle piece here that essentially adjusts the tension that you've got on this top crossbar lockover system. It's insanely intuitive, insanely easy, and I love just the quality of these pieces. I think it's powder coated steel and everything is just very heavy duty, very quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to rust or fall apart or anything like that. And I just love the sleekness of it. I mean, driving around, even with it vacant with nothing in it, it just looks great, and I'm super pleased with this setup. Now, let me get into showing you guys just how quick and easy it is to load and unload bikes to this so that way you can get to the trail and you get ready to ride and rip and enjoy your day.
Alright, I want to truly demonstrate how easy it is to load 2 bicycles into this QR3 bike rack from RIDE88. Now you can see right here, all you got to do is pick the bike up, load it right there simply into the rack, make sure that the front tire is touching both points, pull that lever down, and boom, you can see that is it. The bike is locked into place. Same thing, you're going to grab the other one. I found that works best for me to grab the front fork and then under the seat posts in the back. Gives you pretty good leverage on the bike to get it up over the tailgate there. Go ahead and grab the bike, same thing as the other one. Pop it right there into the carrier. You'll go ahead and pull that lever down, cinch it into place. Now you will see me use one bungee cord here to hold the bikes into place. What's really ideal that I was hearing from RIDE88 themselves is that you should be using one bungee per bike. It gives it a little bit better protection to make sure stuff's not sliding around and that one bike doesn't affect the other. You can also leave the bike down on the tailgate like this itself and use something like their tailgate boss to prevent the tailgate from flopping around. But just for the sake of this video, I'm using the one bungee here. You can see both into place. Bikes up, they're on the tailgate, they are not going anywhere. Now what's even faster than loading the bikes is unloading them. So you can see here in real time, this is from pretty much getting to the parking lot to getting ready to unload the bikes. I undo that bungee cord that I've got, go ahead and release the lever, one simple pull there, grab the bike by the fork and under the seat post, and just being careful not to drop the bike on the truck itself, it's out. That is it. It literally takes a couple of seconds to unload one of these bikes from being fully locked into the truck to being ready to ride. Same thing I'm going to show you in real time here. We've got 2 bikes. Reach over, grab the lever. It's free. Go ahead and wheel it out of the rack there, up and over the tailgate, and that is it. Both bikes unloaded, ready to go, less than a minute. It simply doesn't get any better than that.
In my last clip, I showed how easy it is to mount mountain bikes with this bike rack, but I just want to show that you can also ride pretty much anything, any kind of bicycle with wheels in a rack like this. So if you want to switch out from something like the mountain bike to one of these hybrid gravel road bikes, all you've got to do is just slide this rack up with the one pull pin there and just make sure that you're getting tire contact from the back of this here to the front tire catch there, and then you may have to spin this tight or loose a little bit in order to get this to where it clamps down to a point on that new tire. So it's pretty easy. Takes maybe a couple seconds to switch it out from a full 29er mountain bike to something like this, which is a little bit smaller and nimbler, but very, very easy nonetheless. Another neat product that RIDE88 offers is the Tailgate Boss. Now what this essentially does is it stops your tailgate from flopping around like that if you've got bikes that are resting on the tire. Most of the time I carry the bikes with the tailgate up and the tires resting on the top of the tailgate, but what this does is allows you to keep the tailgate down and not worrying about it flopping around. So what you do with this basically is you snap it in over the top here, and then you just click this into the latch, tighten down, and you put this little safety catch on, and it's good. So what this essentially does now is it will lock your tailgate so that way it can't flop up and down as you're going down the road. So if you've got looser tailgate straps or something like that, you no longer have to worry with this piece in place, and it can't go anywhere once this is tightened down. And this is locked into the latch right here. So the only way to get that out is to pull the handle on the tailgate, and you can remove this piece there. Really neat piece of hardware. Just like the racks themselves, everything is powder coated or painted, so nothing's going to rust or rot or anything like that. And it's a nice firm metal piece, so it fits in there, and now your tailgate can't go anywhere. And that about is going to sum this one up for my initial kind of review and impressions on the RIDE88 bike rack systems, the U-Track, and the Tailgate Boss. I cannot explain enough how excited I am to use this product for all the different bicycles that me and my wife have. It's made carrying bikes in my truck so easy and so secure, and it doesn't make me use some hitch carrier that sticks out 3 feet behind the vehicle. I don't have to have something like a tailgate pad resting against the paint, scratching my paint, and having the bikes jiggling around. The bike's just sitting there, they fit. I can leave the wheels up here on the tailgate, or I can leave the tailgate down with the tailgate boss in place, and the front tire is not going anywhere. It works fine for the mountain bikes, it works fine for the hybrid gravel bikes, and I've been very, very impressed with this thing. If you've been on the fence, or you've never heard of this brand, or you've looked for this brand before, I can't speak highly of it enough. I mean, everything works exactly how I would expect it to. Installation and assembly is very, very easy. These racks come probably 85–90% of the way assembled already. You just pretty much have to bolt that U-track to your truck, throw the racks on it, and you're good to go. Again, they've got many different configurations for many different style pickup truck beds, everything from Rivians to full-size trucks to mid-size trucks to even trucks like the Maverick. I've seen it all. They've got stuff that works for you. So if you have any questions, definitely either drop them in my comments down below or reach directly out to RIDE88. They've been an awesome company to work with for any kind of questions or inquiries that I've had about this product and how it would work for my setup. So that's going to be it for this one. I will probably be making some future videos where I show a little bit more of using these bikes and how everything works and longer trips. Maybe show you guys how they kind of sit in the bed, if there's any kind of movement or anything like that. But for this one, that's going to wrap it up. This is Mike signing out, and I'll catch you in the next one.